Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to remove shorts from YouTube homepage. So as you can see, YouTube is recommending me shorts now, but in order to block these shorts you have to go on Google Chrome extension. Now go on Chrome Web Store and type on the search bar block shorts, and you have to download this specific extension. Now click on it, YouTube Shorts Block. Now click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. As you can see, it is added to my tab. Now click on this puzzle icon. Now see the magic. Click on this puzzle icon and pin this extension. Refresh the page. As you can see, YouTube is recommending me shorts now. But after refreshing the page, there is no short feed. As you can see.